Good morning, boys and girls. It is May the 5th, otherwise known as Cinco de Mayo. We are, I didn't do anything for Cinco de Mayo, but you know what? There are lots of activities that you could do to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Even just having tacos or something Mexican for dinner would celebrate Cinco de Mayo. So let me know how you celebrate it. Please send pictures so that I can post, okay? So that is our countdown. Our countdown is Cinco de Mayo. All right. Going on to our checklist for today. Everything, please make sure you're completing by Tuesday evening. Let me know if you're here by clicking this link here. Go ahead and listen to the morning meeting story. Today I read Just the Way You Are. You're going to watch a video on this big word here. But basically, this word here means personification. So we will be talking about personification today. You're going to listen to the widow's broom, and you're going to complete the personification activity. And I don't think there is a game, so I will take care of that. So then you're going to review angles for math. We talked about angles yesterday. You're going to watch a video on analyzing and comparing quadrilaterals. You're going to do a practice activity on quadrilaterals. And science spot today, you are going to learn the parts of a plant, okay? So by the end of the day, you should be able to tell the personification in a story, or what personification is, to analyze and compare quadrilaterals, and group them according to their attributes. And then tell me the parts of a plant. All right. So we'll click to morning meeting, and you will see that I have nothing here. So boys and girls, please be sending in your pictures of you e-learning. I love to see them. So here is your link for learning about personification, or that big long word that I had there. Watch the video and basically refer to this personification chart. Personification is giving those things that are not human qualities, like the cupcake, like the sun smiled down at me. Okay, sun does not smile, so it's giving that person, that human quality to the sun, and it's not human. Okay, you're going to learn about it when you read the widow's broom when I read the widow's broom to you, because this broom here gains some human qualities. I like this story. It's a really good book. So as I'm reading to you, make sure you're writing down what is the broom doing that it shouldn't be doing, but because it was given some human qualities, go ahead and write it down there for me, okay? And then you are going to pick something, okay? You are going to pick something that you would like to give human qualities to. Now, boys and girls, it can be a pencil. It could be a TV. It could be your favorite stuffed animal. And Mac, for you, could be your hockey stick or a baseball bat or anything like that. And you're going to list right here what you want, or what words that you want to describe your object with, okay? Now, I'm not sure if you can draw in this yet, but I'm going to figure that out. But then I want you to draw me a picture of it. And if you can't get it drawn in this picture frame here, just draw it on another piece of paper and send it to me so I can see it, okay? As we're reading through the widow's broom, make sure that you are looking for Fritz. And again, I have built in a break for you if you need it. If you don't, that's fine. So we can move on. Okay. And here is where you complete your angle review. All right. You go to the next page, and I have put numbers on each of these angles. So all you're going to do is type the numbers up here of the angles that are acute, right, and obtuse. Okay, just follow the numbers there. Okay. Then you're going to watch my video on quadrilaterals. Refer to this down here, this chart right here. You will see some overlapping. This is very important that you pay attention to this. Okay. Then you're going to complete this chart. You're going to drag these X's over. If a parallelogram has 4 sides, 4 angles, you're going to drag that X over here. If it has 4 right angles, you're going to drag that X over here. Okay, so you're just going to classify them. Okay, just work on your fact practice. I don't care how. Flashcards, extra math, MobyMax, I don't care. Be focusing on multiplication and division. Go ahead and do some computer work today. If you don't want to, that's fine. But you know that you have some freckle math that you could work on or some activities in MobyMax as well. So you're going to watch this video on plants. This is our science spot for today. And then you're going to complete the following chart on the following slide. And then hopefully by now you have planted your plant that I have sent to you and be watching it and taking care of it. And right here is labeling the plants. So all you're going to do is type, if that's the root, you're going to type it there. If it's a stem, you're going to type it there. Okay. And again, like I said yesterday about the special link class, if you have any questions about the art show link, be sure to email Miss Loudermilk about that. Okay. Your question for today is to list as many quadrilaterals as you can. If you have any questions for me, be sure to ask them. I will do my best and answer them. And self-assess yourself. How did you do on personification? Was it a little hard for you? Angle activity, quadrilaterals, and the plant labeling. All right. And then the last slide, be sure you get to this last slide and tell me how you are feeling. All right. So boys and girls, enjoy your day of e-learning. If you have any trouble with questions about the slides and you're not understanding something, please be sure to email me. Or if you're having technology difficulties, that would be a question for Mrs. Shin. All right. Boys and girls, have a good day. Cinco de Mayo.